Hi everyone, I'm Miss Susan from the Cape May County Library Children's Department, and this is an at-home craft video. Today we're making a really cute black cat just in time for Halloween. In order to do this craft today, you're going to need black construction paper, yellow construction paper, maybe some pink construction paper. If you'd like to change up the color of your cat's eyes, maybe you'd use orange, green, or gray construction paper. Also, you're going to need some Elmer's glue. I'm using a glue stick, scissors, a black pen or marker, and we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is take some black paper, stand it up nice and tall, and then fold it in half. Okay. And before you actually fold it exactly in half, you should drop it down about an inch or so, an inch and a half, and that's going to, before you fold it, and that's going to give you room for the cat's tail. This is going to end up being what we use for the cat's tail. So my fold is on the bottom, and I folded it, but I left about an inch or so unfolded. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and take scissors and cut off that extra paper. So now I have my folded paper and I have the extra, and this is going to be for the cat's tail. So we'll go ahead and put the cat's tail down first. Now we're going to take that folded paper, leave the fold across the top, and we're going to cut about a third of the way down across. Part of this is going to be for your cat's head, and the other part's going to be for the cat's body. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut. Okay. This will be for my cat's head. There's the folded area, and for my cat's body. So I'm going to put the head paper aside, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut for the cat's body. With the open on the bottom and the top here, I'm going to cut a U shape. It's going to go like a U. I'm going to leave this folded. Okay. Kind of like when a black cat has an arched body. Go ahead and cut that U shape out. Okay. That was my U. Put that down. Now I have the cat's body. I'm going to round the top a little bit on each side. Still have the fold across here. Okay, this is still folded. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to make the cat stand. In order to make the cat stand, I'm going to fold the bottom of his legs a little bit up and back. So I'm going to put a little fold here and here. See how the legs are folded up? Do the same thing on the other side. Fold the legs up a little bit. And now the cat will stand, okay, on a flat surface. So now I have his body done. I'm going to put that aside. Now I'm going to go back to that strip for his tail, okay. I don't want his tail to be too long, so I'm going to cut off the extra. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit to get a tail shape going on each end. Okay, so now I have tail shape. And now I'm going to make it look like a scared cat for Halloween. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of cut into the tail to make jagged edges here. Okay. Go ahead. Cut into that tail. Make him look like he's not very well groomed. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do the other side a little bit. Cut a little bit here. Whoops. It's okay. Just make his tail a little shorter. Now this is where your child might need some extra help, because with scissors, when you're cutting a little bit towards yourself, it can be a little dangerous. So you might want to do a little extra guidance here. This takes about a minute maybe. Okay, so now I have a tail that's kind of jaggedy and uneven, right? Now a little bit more there. Okay, kind of a weird scared tail, almost like you got electrocuted. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my glue stick and put some glue on there and glue that tail onto my cat. Pretty cool looking, right? So now my cat's body and tail are done. So now I'm going to go back to the head that I cut out, okay? And I'm going to do like an oval, keeping the fold intact. I'm going to do a half a circle here, okay? So I'm going to put the fold to the bottom and just cut like I'm doing half of a circle. Okay. This will be the cat's face. Okay, the fold is still intact on the top. Okay, so now I have all that together. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some, I think I'm going to put green eyes on my guy. So I'm going to grab some green paper, fold it in half, and I'm going to have 2 green eyes that I'm going to glue on. My eyes are kind of an oval shape. Okay, glue down, since I already cut out my eyes to save time in the video. Okay, there's my 2 eyes on my head. Now I'm going to take my black pen or marker, and cats seem to have a black stripe going down the center of their eyes, you know. So I'm going to put a little bit of black down the center of my eyes. Now I'm going to add my nose. The nose is going to be kind of a triangular shape. You can do any color nose you want. I decided to do a little pink nose. It's like a triangle, but it's a very soft triangle. It's not very pointy. Okay, so there's my little soft triangle. Okay, so I have my head done, my eyes, my nose. The last step here before I glue everything on is going to be to get some ears on my cat. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out of the scrap paper tall triangles. I folded it in half and got 2 tall triangles, and that's going to be my cat's ears. So I'm going to put a little glue on the side here, very bottom of it. Okay. Put the ear there. There's one ear. Okay. Do the other ear here. A little bit of glue. And there's the other ear. Okay, really cute. And my final step is I'm going to, see how my cat's still folded at the top, I'm going to add glue on the inside of the back and front of its head. So I'm going to go ahead and glue there, on the inside here. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick him right on his body here like this. Okay. Just like that. And here's my really cute Halloween black cat, right? And he'll stand on a table because his legs are sticking out. So I can't wait to see your cute black cats. If you'd like to take a picture and send it to cmclibrary.org, Children's Department, children@cmclibrary.org, we'll try to post them. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.